I see we have an interpreter here in the courtroom.
Traditionally, interpreters are brought into the courtroom, jail, or attorney office in person. Precautions are taken to ensure the interpreter can hear what is being said,
2008, approximately 4 p.m.
and there are no barriers preventing the deaf individual from seeing what is being conveyed in sign language. But sometimes it doesn't work that smoothly.
Case number D9027.
Providing sign language interpreters for deaf and hard of hearing individuals in legal situations has two major challenges: availability and capability. Qualified interpreters for legal situations are often unavailable, creating possibilities for a denial of constitutional rights, dismissal of charges, delayed legal proceedings, costly mistrials, and appealable issues.
Counsel, you ready?
Your Honor, we're not ready to proceed. My client requires an interpreter for the deaf, and we don't see an interpreter here.
Do we have an interpreter available? Is there anybody we can get right now?
Because qualified legal interpreters are often unavailable, an unqualified interpreter is hired.
I don't know how we're going to proceed with this.
Using locally sourced, unqualified interpreters can result in misunderstandings, trial errors, improper translated testimony entered into the trial record, and potential miscarriages of justice. The challenges of securing qualified interpreters for traditional in-person interpreting for the justice system is a national problem.
Mr. Jones, were you on the corner of Greenwood?
New services are emerging in the marketplace in response to the challenge of unavailable and unqualified interpreters. These new services replace the traditional in-person interpreter while maintaining communication access requirements. Judges, attorneys, police officers, and other legal professionals can improve communication with deaf and hard of hearing individuals in legal situations using video remote interpreting, or VRI.
Did I see the driver?
Video remote interpreting, or VRI, utilizes high-speed internet and a real-time live video conference connection to provide access to qualified sign language interpreters. Video remote interpreting works in exactly the same way as having an in-person interpreter present in the room. The video camera and the TV can be placed in the same position as an in-person interpreter would stand.
Ms. Smith, did you at any time lose consciousness?
The video interpreter hears everything spoken in the room in real time.
No, I did not.
And is viewed on the monitor.
So, did he get out of the car? Did you see him?
The result is a seamless interpreting experience similar to in-person interpreting.
He stayed in the car.
All aspects of a trial proceeding in the presence of the defendant or witnesses can be achieved with this technology.
I can't sit for long periods of time. I need to stand up and move around every so often.
Courts must select the proper video conference equipment so that evidentiary exhibits and other courtroom items can be viewed using the remote interpreter's camera control feature.
Excuse me, Your Honor. The interpreter needs a moment to adjust the camera to view the diagram, please.
In addition to having a court reporter's transcript, the VRI service can video record a deaf individual's signed testimony using a DVD or VHS recorder connected to the video conference device. The sign interpreter's remote translation can also be recorded and furnished to the court. This preserves the ASL interpretation of the proceedings as a record for de novo and appellate review if there is an issue of interpreter competency or accuracy of a translation. Setting up remote video interpreting is easy. You only need a high-speed internet connection, video conference system, and the services of an experienced VRI provider.
Hi, welcome to SignOn VRI. My name is Allie Thomas, and I'll be your interpreter today.
When selecting a VRI provider, consider the following capabilities: an AV video conference package designed for use in various legal settings,
I need a video interpreter in 30 minutes for a court proceeding.
certified interpreters available on demand 24/7, secured connections in a private call center facility, solid neutral color background, high quality audio and video,
Thank you for calling SignOn Scheduling Office. This is Kat.
at least 5 years experience providing VRI services, technical support and consulting, a scheduling team to book interpreters as needed.
Walking through the intersection and I was hit by a car.
Video remote interpreting captures the capability of technology to support more reliable communication access to deaf citizens, all at a lower cost than in-person interpreting.
Would you recognize the driver if you saw him again?
Video remote interpreting, the legal profession's solution to providing cost-effective, accurate sign language interpreting.
Yes, he is. He's sitting right over there with a blue striped shirt.